Welcome to a special edition of Daily Tax Minute. This is Tony Novak here with a few pointers on staying out of tax trouble and saving taxes. I said a special edition because I'm recording from my Bayshore office without the fancy lighting or microphone or equipment. I just want, and we have a new internet provider, so I wanted to test the quality. If you're watching this, want to chime in that it's okay, not okay, doesn't sound as good, whatever. Figured doing it one time won't hurt. Today's topic is filing when you don't have to. So most of us know that there's a certain income threshold of which if we're below that, we don't need to file. However, in some cases, and I'm going to get into one example, it does make sense to go ahead and file a tax return anyway, even if you don't have to. And that one very common example is when you have a unusual event coming up where your income is erratic. For example, you have no taxable income this year, but next year I might have be in business and have a profit, and or I might be inheriting something, an IRA, for example, that might need tax treatment, or sale of a business where might be a business that's losing money and perhaps there wasn't even any gross income. Perhaps it's been idle for a year or two. You don't need to file. There are certain times when we need to show the IRS that we have a pattern of clean tax filings and clean tax payments. And you can't say that, for example, if we need to show 6 years of good filings, we can't say in the middle, well, there's a blank there because there wasn't any income that year. Sort of like a resume. When there's a blank in the middle of a resume, it can be a problem for a job applicant. So we want to file in those cases, even if we don't have to, and have a clean record, a solid, continuous line of filings year after year. We'd love to hear your comments, feedbacks, like I said, on the quality or the content of today's episode. I can be reached through the comments or track me down one-on-one at taxproblems.cpa. I'll be back tomorrow with another